So, I decided na magdadamit muna ako kasi nahihirapan na ako para mamaya after ko mag-get ready with me, kakain na lang ako ng breakfast. So, balikan ko na lang kayo. Susuotin ko muna to, okay? So, I'm done. Ito na yung itsura ko for today. And this is my outfit. Mamadali ako. Marami pa akong gagawin. Mag-ayos pa ako ng bed. Mag-ayos pa ako ng gamit. May breakfast. And dapat matapos ko yan before 8. Kasi 8 yung pasok ko. But it's currently 7:16 in the morning. So yeah, I'll get you back later, guys. Hi everybody, so I'm back and I just got home from work and it's 12:10 in the afternoon and today is my birthday! Yay! But honestly, wala masyado akong gagawin for today's ganap. Wala masyadong agenda because we're all busy. I'm busy, but tomorrow it's supposed to be a celebration, but sadly I have a duty tomorrow. That's why mamumove ng Monday. But don't you worry guys, because I'll give you an update sa magiging ganap ko kahit na malilate. So for now, kakain muna ako ng lunch and then later Hey, so I wasn't be able to film that day nung photoshoot ko, but I'll be showing you the photos that I took for my birthday. Ayos ako because I have something special to do for myself. And by the way, as you guys can see, gamit ko ngayon yung Insta360 Code 3S. Finally, nagamit ko na rin. Ayun lang, ang dami ko sinasabi. Be right back. Hi guys, I'm back and it's December 15 and it's 4:30 in the afternoon. Malapit nang maggabi dito and medyo madilim na rin. So as you can see, nakaayos ako. Ayan, because we're gonna celebrate my birthday. This is just a simple family dinner. Since na busy ako nung birthday ko, because that's my first day sa work. And kahapon 14, Sunday, nag-work din ako. So, ito lang yung free time. Dito lang kami na kompleto. So, yeah. We're gonna celebrate it. But for now, magpe-prepare muna ako ng face kasi kailangan naming umalis because punta kami ng Costco mamaya. So, babalikan ko na lang kayo later once na matapos ako. Hello! So, it's December 16, Tuesday. Sa part na to, it's 11:30 p.m. And kakauwi ko lang yan from work. Nag-take a bath lang ako. And then, ayan, kumakain lang ako dyan. And you know guys, hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog the day, like the afternoon, going to work or preparing for work. It's because super na busy ako the whole day. Dahil, actually, yan yung first day ko sa physical work, physical task, if you know what I mean. That's why, napagod talaga ako ng bonggacious dyan, as in, sobrang naano talaga ako, like, pero okay lang, I enjoyed. Super nakakapagod lang, kaya, iyan lang yung clip na na-vlog ko for that day. Hi guys! So, today is Wednesday. It's December 17. And go to work with me because, yeah, another busy day, another tiring day. But, I'm gonna show you my quick and simple get ready with me because it's 12:13 p.m. As you can see, nag-flat ako ng hair, nag-iron ako, nag-straightener. Kaya ganyan siya. Kasi hindi na ako naligo. Kahapon ako naligo, Tuesday. But today, hindi na ako nag-shower. Kaya ano na lang ako ng hair, nag-iron. Para hindi naman buhaghag, diba? So now, I'm using this Origino Brightening Moisturizer. Kasi malamig and mainit doon sa office, sa work field. Kaya kailangan ko mag-moisturize. Simula nung nasa Pilipinas ako, up until nung dumating ako dito, and hanggang ngayon, ito pa rin yung gamit kong moisturizer. But sadly, last tab ko na to. Kasi, ubus na yung stocks ko. Sa Pilipinas pa kasi ito nabibili eh. I mean, pwede man ako mag-order online. I-check ko kung paano ba. Super duper favorite ko tong moisturizer na to kasi habang ganda niya sa skin. Hindi talaga ako nahiyang. So, napanood nyo dun sa recent clips ng vlog na to na kakauwi ko lang galing work. 11 past na yun. Grabe, sobrang pagod na pagod ako. But, hindi na ako nakapag-journaling. Hindi na ako nakapagkalkal kasi after kong kumain, nag-compile lang ako ng vlogs. Tapos, natulog na ako. Like, sa sobrang pagod. Di ko na namalayan. Tatapusin ko sana mag-journaling kagabi para sana this vlog is ma-upload ko na. Hindi na sana umabot today. But, yeah, sadly, napagod talaga ako. That's why, yun ang aking nagawa lang. And the next concealer from Sunny's Face in the shade Butter. Ay, that pala hindi ko na nilagyan yung noo ko. Gosh. While waiting na ma-marinate tong concealer sa face ko, I'm gonna use this Got2b Ultra Good Styling Gel for my brows. Since mahaba ang ating agenda for today, kaya kailangan natin ng matibay na brows. So usually, ito talaga yung brow routine ko. Kung napanood nyo yung how I do my brows, lalagay ko dito sa gilid. Ayan, panoorin nyo yan. But sometimes, pag gusto ko medyo yung brows ko is plakado, ganon, I just use a brow pencil or brow pen to fill the gaps or the sparse area of my brows. But pag gusto kong very simple lang, like today, I just leave it like this, only the brow gel. So, hayaan ko munang ganyan. Patutuyuin ko muna siya ng slight. I'm just blending my concealer. Hindi na ako nag-pitch corrector. Bahala na kung magpanda ay ako mamaya. But sana hindi. Hindi kasi ako nag-full face. Ang ginagamit kong base lagi is concealer. Pero baka patungon ko to ng konting-konting skin tint para may coverage. And I'm not feeling well today because I have my second day of my menstruation. That's why. Ayan ko munang ganyan. Sandali. Natataranta ako kasi 12:20 na. Ayan. So, tapos na ako ng brows. I-blend ko lang itong mga to real quick. I'll be using this Color at First Base Skin Tint in La Union. Punti na lang to kasi mini version. Yung full size niya ang mahal. 500 plus or 400, hindi ko sure. Konti lang. Yan, ganyan. Ay! Tumalsik sa nose ko. Diba? Ang kapal-kapal. Pero mukha lang siya makapal. Kalma lang. Mukha lang siyang makapal. Medyo to sa akin medyo dark Pero pag na-blend siya, hindi naman obvious. See? Pala akong dito, scratch. Hindi ko alam. Matagal na to More than a week na. Ang hapdi-hapdi niya. Pero, hindi naman na. Tapos yung dito sa nose ko, grabe, hindi pa rin siya nawawala. Masakit pa rin siya. So, ito, tapos na akong mag-base. Lips naman. And this is one of my favorite lip balm. Burt's Bees. Marami rin kasing isa Carmex. Tsaka yung chopstick. Yung may ligaw sa lip balm because ang aking lips ay ma-dry. That's why mag-lip balm. I guess everything is okay na. I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me. Maybelline New York Fit Me powder. This is just a pressed powder. Hindi siya foundation powder. Kaya kahit dami-damihan ko, it's fine. Hindi ako magmumukhang naka full coverage. So, nakikita ko pa nga yung yung veins, yung ugat. And then, just blending everything out. Dusting the excess powder. Yeah. Sorry. Sabi ko kanina, hindi na ako maglalagay ng eyebrow pen. But, maglalagay ako ng super konti sa dulo lang. Ladies, if kayo ay magme-makeup, just make sure na maglaan kayo ng time. Kasi ako pa naman, pinakayaw sa lahat. Yung pag nag-makeup na ako, nag-ayos na ako. Tsaka nagkakaroon ng kulang, nagkakaroon ng mali. Ayoko ng gano'n. Like, hindi ako natutuwa, hindi ako nasa-satisfy. And then blush from Lucky Beauty. Kailangan ko nang matapos kasi kakain pa ako. Ayan. Maybe all goods. Hindi ko alam kung makapal ba siya sa camera? Don't you worry kasi i-blend ko pa yan after. Then, I'm gonna do contouring kasi tayo ay pale. Yeah, we're very pale. This is from Get Ready With Me Face Card Palette. Sobrang ganda ng Get Ready With Me Face Card Palette kasi pwede ka mag-customize ng palette mo. And ito yung sa akin. May blush, may highlighter, may finishing powder, and bronzer. Konti lang. Para magkaroon na ng color. Everything is color. And then, for nose contour. Konti lang. So, ayan, tapos ko nang gawin yung eyes ko, yung face ko, everything. Pabalikan ko na lang ng curl ulit yung lashes ko later. But now, pati yung lippy, off-cam ko na natin siyang gagawin. Time check, it's 12:38 p.m. 12:38. Teka, sandali, hindi ko mahanap yung end. Ayan. Aray. Nagbilig lang ako. Kasi bago ako kanina mag-ayos, naglinis pa ako ng room, naglinis ako ng vanity. Pero lang naman, quick clean. Hindi naman siya deep clean. Tapos nag-vacuum pa ako ng room ko. Kaya medyo marami akong something sa aking suot. Ayan ang dami ang daming napunta. So, babalikan ko na lang kayo later night, maybe, pag natapos ko ng aking work and today's agenda. So, I'll be right back. Hi guys! Nakauwi na ako and nakaligo and then nag-dinner, late dinner. And it's currently 12:14 in the midnight, December 18, Thursday. Kumain ako ng sardines, Lego sardines. And I have this cookies and cream ice cream. Actually, kagabi, napanood niyo yung recent clips nga, kumakain ako. Ang gabi ko pa gustong kumain na ito. Kahit na first day ng period. And then, like what I've said earlier, yung dapat mag-journal ako. Hindi na muna ako mag-journal. It's because I really need to finish this vlog, like the editing. Para ma-upload ko na. Kasi, parang 4 pa na vlog. Kailangan kong i-upload this December. So, kailangan ko talaga siyang ma-upload. Yeah, 4 na vlog pa. After I uploaded this vlog, mayroon pang 4. And then I have this garlic bread, the chips, like a cookie. By the way, don't mind this towel. Hindi ko pa tapos yan gamitin. Actually, hindi pa ako tapos mag-blower. It's just that minadali ko lang kasi nga baka matunaw yung ice cream. Yeah. Ang sarap. So, I guess that's all for today's video. Wala akong masyadong ganap, like a very very detailed na ganap, but I can say na sobrang na busy talaga ako, like pagpasok pa ng birthday ko. Well, actually, pagpasok pa lang ng December 1st. Pero, up until my birthday, sakto lang. Okay lang, pero mas super na busy talaga ako the day ng birthday ko. As you guys can see naman sa recent clips, right? If you haven't watched my recent vlog, right there, just watch it because it's so much fun. So thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!